Respected teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Good morning, all of you. I am Mushtaq. Today I have got a golden chance to say something before you. Sir, on 5th August 1947, India got her freedom. But the Constitution of India came into effect on 26th January 1950. It is called the Republic Day. Every year this day is celebrated throughout the country. We also celebrate the day in our school. Our principal unfolds the national flag and tells us about this day. We all then sing the national anthem. At last, salutes are distributed to us. But the main function is held in New Delhi. The President, the Prime Minister, diplomat, foreign dignitaries and thousands of people attend this function. Generally, our foreign president is the chief guest of this function. Winners of various military awards, Jawans of the Army, the Navy and the Air Force, dancing groups of various school children pass before the President and Rajpath. The President takes salute, tanks and weapons are displayed, fly past of airplanes and helicopters is held. Tablets of various states and the government establishment are worth seeing. We are all proud of our republic. That's all. Thank you.